Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use TikTok Notes as a beginner. Right, so here as you can see here I have already installed TikTok in my phone as well as the TikTok Notes. So you need to use your TikTok ID to log in into your TikTok Notes. So I will just click on continue as my TikTok ID here, and here as you can see here if it will give you another option to download additional features which you can download it from here. Now then it will ask you to choose your interest. So I like anime and comics as well as pets and gamings. Now here I will just go and select next. Now here it will ask you that these are the accounts which you can follow them, right? So let's say I can follow them, or I can follow all of them at once, or if I don't want to follow anyone, let's say that I will follow this account here, and then I will click on next. Once you're into the TikTok notes here, as you can see here, this is the post which is similar to the interest which I've selected at the start of the video. And if I just go to the following section, just like how you use in your TikTok, right, it will show all the posts that if you're following some creators, right? Now here in the bottom you will see there are around 5 options. So this is home, which we are currently. This is a search bar, we can search them, any account or any post we like to see, right? If we want to create our own TikTok Notes account, we can just and post here just like you do it over the TikTok, right? So basically this is, you can say this is a TikTok but for photos. Now here this is a notification bar, as well as if I just go and open it up, this is my account and everything, right? So this is really interesting. For example, I like this image, right, and I will just open it up, this image here, and as you can see here, double tap to like. So I can just like this image, I can read the caption, as well as I can comment on this post just like how you do it over the other social media such as Instagram. If I want to follow this account, I can just click on follow and then it's done. So I hope you found this guide really useful. If you did, subscribe.